Bravo Studio Honest Review. Watch before using. Bravo Studio is a no-code app development platform that allows designers to turn Figma prototypes into fully functional mobile apps without writing a single line of code. It's built for UI/UX designers, product teams, and entrepreneurs who want to bring their app ideas to life quickly. The platform offers native app functionality, real-time previewing, and easy integration with APIs and databases, making it one of the most powerful no-code solutions available today. The biggest advantage of Bravo Studio is its seamless Figma integration. You design your app in Figma, connect it to Bravo, and within minutes, you have a functional mobile app. It supports native mobile gestures, animations, and dynamic data connections, which means you're not just building a glorified prototype, you're creating a real app with back-end capabilities. You can connect Bravo to external databases like Airtable, Firebase, or REST APIs, allowing you to pull and update real-time data. Plus, it offers push notifications and user authentication, which are essential for most modern mobile apps. However, Bravo Studio isn't perfect. While it's great for MVPs and simple apps, it's not as flexible as fully custom-coded applications. You're still limited by Bravo's features, and complex logic or custom interactions may require workarounds. Another limitation is that publishing to the App Store and Google Play still involves some manual steps, and you'll need to handle certificates and approvals yourself. Also, while Bravo has good documentation, it has a learning curve, especially if you're new to working with APIs or database connections. So, who is Bravo Studio for? If you're a designer looking to turn your Figma files into real apps without relying on developers, this is a solid option. It's also great for startups and product teams who want to quickly validate an idea before investing in full-scale development. But if you need a highly customized app with deep functionality, you may outgrow Bravo Studio and eventually need a developer. Bottom line, Bravo Studio is a fantastic tool for no-code mobile app development, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you need a fast way to launch a functional app using Figma designs, it's worth trying. Just be aware of its limitations and know that for more complex needs, you might need a developer down the line. If that works for you, Bravo Studio is one of the best no-code solutions available today.